Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin has performed really well today. Bitcoin reacted to the micro support area that I shared late yesterday. So with a small swing trade setup here, or intraday setup for pullback traders, and the price is moving higher, further into the resistance area. But as I said to you, if we get a break above that high, then it will look more like a 5-wave move up, even though to really confirm that this is an extension in the third wave and not just a high B wave, which it still could be. And I've already changed the count in favor of an extension. It would need to get to the next Fibonacci extension area, right? So the next Fibonacci extension level is at 78K. By the way, in this video, I only want to take a look at the intraday movements, short-term movements. We talked about the daily chart earlier today. I've made an adjustment about the daily chart throughout the day. I've communicated that on Discord. I will talk about that tomorrow in the next video tomorrow. We cover the daily chart typically once a day, but this is just for the intraday price action, right? So what really matters is that this now looks more like an extension in the third wave. I had this labeled in yellow in the previous video, but I've now adjusted the chart accordingly. But please note, we could already be in the fourth wave, and it is still a high B wave because we're still in B wave resistance, which goes all the way up to 76,360. But I'd say based on this possible 5-wave move up, it does look more like an extension in the fifth wave of the third wave, right? So looking at the very small time frame short-term price action, you can see that the price did hold that micro support area. I communicated to you in the previous video that to really consider that a top has formed, whatever top it is, we need a break below 71,850, and the price hasn't done that. So we didn't get a signal that a top is in place. Logically, the local uptrend that started on Monday is still intact. And if we already have waves 1, 2, 3, and 4 in place, then this fifth wave, and I go to the 15-minute chart now, this fifth wave is likely unfolding as an ending diagonal. How would that work out? Well, we have wave 1 in 3 waves, which is why I have to consider that wave 5 is an ending diagonal. We have a wave 2 pullback, which formed a higher low when it touched the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement at 73,560. And this here could now be a third wave, which might be a push a little bit higher, but it could be nearly done. If we get another 4-5 pattern, this could be it. Important is to note that now, with the latest price action, there is no confirmation for a top until we break below the last swing low, which is now located at 73,560. A break below it would be an early indication that we have topped. But for now, the way this goes, because we pushed again higher, new all-time high, we might need another 4-5 pattern to confirm or to complete this pattern. And as I said, 78,000 is the next upside target. Further upside extension is possible. I mentioned to you, it could also reach 81,300, maybe even higher, but then we talk about the latest adjustment on the daily time frame, which again, we're going to talk about tomorrow. Or just check out our gold membership where I cover the coins, more frequently. Can't communicate everything here on YouTube. But the overall idea should be clear, focus on higher as long as we hold that intraday low. Again, it's looking very choppy, but it could just be an ending diagonal to the upside. Now, what would happen if we now break below that last swing low and the 71,850 level? Well, the way this goes is, this looks like 5 waves up, right? But we haven't reached the next Fibonacci extension, so I might still call it a high B wave in that case. I've removed that already from the chart, but doesn't mean it couldn't be a high B wave. I'm telling you, I mentioned in the last update that to confirm it's an extension in the third wave, we need to get that to that 78K level. We haven't arrived there yet. We haven't reached it yet. But definitely watching for that. Now, is there another micro support area I could add to the chart? Difficult, right? Difficult. The key level now against which we can focus on higher is really this swing low. All I could do is just to add another set of standard Fibonacci levels, but this is not so relevant. So this would be a set of Fib levels the price could now react to on the micro range, on the micro level, between 74,126 and 75,118. So it could be that this third is still unfolding and it's just like an A, B, and then we go higher. We'll have to see, but any break below 74,126, it wouldn't make this upside move invalid, but it would already be a hint that things might be changing. But then we go into such a small wave degree and time frame and so on, that's really difficult to manage because things happen so quickly in crypto. And I mean, by the time that 74,126 level is broken, we might already have broken below that previous swing low. But yeah, again, just to give you a few levels to watch. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. On our channel page, there is also a video that explains our membership if you're interested. Today, for example, in our gold membership, I covered a lot of additional coins that I'm not covering here on YouTube, like BLZ, Aave, for example. AVAX wasn't covered on YouTube today. Tau, Say, Tia, which is Celestia, covered Doge several times. Rune, for example. Dogwif had, even Coinbase was covered, Clore, Ondo. So there are many coins that are not even covered here on YouTube if you're interested in additional Elliott Wave updates, and you get access to all of these Tradingview live charts. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.